Voice Team 2021 Team Electric Lime presents Potter Puppet Pals, The Mysterious Ticking Noise, The Hands of Lime.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. It's kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore,
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore,
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley,
Snape,
Dumbledore,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley,
Snape,
Dumbledore,
Hermione,
Ron,
Severus
Hermione,
Snape,
Dumbledore,
Ron,
Hermione,
Ron,
Hermione,
Severus
Hermione,
Dumbledore,
Harry Potter,
Hermione.
Harry Potter, ooh, Harry Potter,
Severus
Harry
Hermione.
Potter, yeah,
Snape.
Harry Potter,
Hermione.
Harry Potter,
Hermione.
Harry Potter,
Severus
Harry Potter, that's me,
Snape,
Harry,
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 Snape.
Dumbledore,
Hermione,
Dumbledore,
Harry
Hermione.
Potter, I'm Harry
Hermione.
Potter, I'm Harry
Hermione.
Potter, Harry,
Hermione.
Harry Potter, singing a song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
The End. Intro and outro by Pendragon27.
JocundaSykes as Severus Snape.
Nrandom as Dumbledore,
Rindle as Ron Weasley.
Mistbornhero as Hermione.
AvidBkWrm as Harry Potter.
Aliteralgarbageheap as Voldemort.